Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have another AliExpress package. I have not been buying much. Well, I was going to say I hadn't bought anything in a long time, but I needed a wig. I'm working on a Cocoa skin tone Smart Doll custom, and I have a chaos head, so we'll see how that goes. But I bought some wigs. I bought this one thinking that I could braid it. But this is straight here. I mean, I wetted this. I hot boiled well, I didn't boil, but steaming hot water just to pull these over. I clipped it, down they fell. So this wig is not going to work. I am going to trim the bangs, not this much with 3 eyes, but I am going to trim the bangs on this and use this wig. I like it, make no mistake, but it isn't what I wanted. I love this wig. I bought it at the same time as I bought this one, but I think Strength, she was the second doll I bought. Would you believe I got her on eBay for, I think it was like $180, $189 delivered. I shouldn't tell you that because you'll all go to eBay and beat me out on other dolls.
No, that was kind of an oddball. They don't always sell that cheap.
Not anymore. No, they don't. Anyway, I re-wigged her, and I absolutely love that wig on her. I think it's just going to be her wig. So at the same time I bought that one, I got the, this is going to be long. I got this wig thinking I might be able to braid it, but I think I'm going to go in another direction. I'm working on a wig for a collab. When is that collab coming up? We haven't set a date yet. This looks sealed. Oh, I love these bags. I hate these bags. I can never find the opening, but I hate cutting them because I reuse everything. I was a teenager in the 70s and reuse, what was it? Recycle, reuse, pre-cycle. Oh, that is a
reduce, reuse,
recycle. That's what it was, yeah. And we did, we really did. Oh boy, that's pretty big. We have to take that in. When you buy a wig for a 1/3 doll and it's too big for the doll you're wearing, what I have found, what has worked for me, is to take this to the sewing machine, pull the hair out of it, straight down, and put a dart in that. And that has worked for me. All right, let's see. Oh, I hate to take this off. It's so cute. Let me pull her forward and pull this cute little wig off. Oh, I don't want to. It's too perfect for her. I love this doll. When I bought Smart Dolls, I had no idea how much I was going to like them. Yeah, that's going to have to be taken in. And that, well, hello, Cher. Okay. All right, let's give that. Where is my brush? I had it right here. I'm always chasing this brush.
Plenty of forehead there, too.
Yeah, but I have one on my counter. I have one here on the counter or the table. And this is that same straight. I like it, don't misunderstand, but I'm going to be making my own braids. Yeah, that's got to be taken in. But if it wasn't sliding around, it's cute. It's reminiscent of Cher in the 70s. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.